Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 207. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so 1, 5, 1, 5. That means that our 4 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 8. But I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 5. 4 and 9 here, so this is our 5, 4, 9. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing a 2. And for this column, we're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this top row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. Oh, and this 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this row, I'm missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.